Good morning, students. Today we will continue with our chapter 3, factors and multiples. First we saw what is factors and multiples with an example. Then we saw how it is divisible by all the numbers, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, everything. Then we saw the prime number, what is prime number, what is composite number, and what is co-prime number with an example. Today we are going to see about prime factorization. We have two methods in this prime factorization. We are going to see about that. Okay, students? We will continue with what is meant by prime factorization. First, we will know what is prime factorization. See here, students. Prime factorization is the type of factorization where a composite number is expressed as a product of the prime factor. What is composite factor? Composite number, the number which has more than one factor, is nothing but composite factors. It is expressed as the product of its prime factors. What are the factors of this? Prime factors of this is nothing but a prime factorization. Composite number oda அதோட prime factorsலாம் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க? It is nothing but prime factorization. We have two methods in this. First method is prime factorization by factor tree method. First one is tree method, factor tree method. We will see an example of this. See here. Find the prime factorization of 24 by factor tree method. They will mention through which method you need to find. They will mention you need to use that. 24 கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. You need to find the prime factorization of this method. Okay, students. First step, see. For the first step, start with the smallest prime factor of 24. Prime factor, what I have said, 2 is the only even number. Other everything are odd numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, these are nothing but prime numbers. Okay, va? எதுக்கு வந்து prime numbers என்ன? Which has a factor 1 and the number itself. 1 and the 3 ஓட factor என்னது? 1 and the number itself. இப்படி இருந்தா தான் prime number சொல்லுவோம். Okay, va? But the smallest prime number is nothing but 2. Now, we will see the what is the smallest prime factor of 24? 24 எந்தெந்த நம்பரில் எந்தெந்த டேபிளில் டிவிசிபிள் ஆகும்னு பாருங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் ப்ரைம் நம்பர் எது? 2. ஃபஸ்ட் டேபிள்லேருந்து பாருங்கள். ஃபஸ்ட்டு 2ஆல் டிவிசிபிள் ஆகுதா, 3ஆல் டிவிசிபிள் ஆகுதான்னு செக் பண்ணிகிட்டே வாங்க. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் ப்ரைம் ஃபேக்டர் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் see 24. ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் ப்ரைம் ஃபேக்டர் என்னது? 2. ஸோ இன் 2 டேபிளில் how many times? ட்ரீ மெத்தட்னா இப்படி ஏரோ மார்க் போடணும். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், 2 டேபிள் 2 is the smallest prime factor. 2 table, how many times 24 will go? 12 times. Okay, now this is the smallest one. Next we can split this 12 again, right? Again this 12 will go in. What is the least common factor of this 12? And then the table 12 pogum 2 table. First check in every table. Okay, first table chinna table and the 2, 3, everything. Okay, 2 is the smallest factor. So 2 into 6. 6 2 இதுக்கு மேலே நம்ம we cannot split it. That is only 1 into 2. Again can we split this 6? Yes, we can split this 6. That is 2 into 3. Understood, students? 2 into 3. Here they have given, see, first 2 into 12. Again this is the smallest prime factor. Next find the smallest prime factor of 12. 12 oda smallest prime factor paranga. So 2 into 6. Again 6. 6 oda prime factor na 2 into 3. Kadasiya divisible ஆகிற வரைக்கும் it should not be again splitted. So till that you need to find out. Next you see, what you need to do is, see here, you just need to multiply this. 2 into 3, 2 into 2. Okay students, 2 into 3, 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 24. Understood, students? This is nothing but tree method. இந்த கடைசியில் எதெல்லாம் divisible ஆகாம இங்கே என்ன நம்பர்லாம் இப்போ இதுக்கு மேலே இதை வந்து ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ண முடியாது. இட் கேன் பி ஸ்ப்ளிட்டட் ஒன்லி ஆஸ் 1 into 2, 1 into 3 அந்த மாதிரி தான் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகேவா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்? வி cannot split in any other table other than 1. So you need to take all this number. Continue to find the smallest prime factor at every step till you don't have any number left to factorize. Till you don't have any number, எந்த நம்பருமே factorize பண்ணுறதுக்கு இல்லைங்கிற வரைக்கும் you need to do this factor tree method. You need to find all the smallest prime factor and then you need to multiply. Okay students, if I am seeing here if I have 15 இங்கே இருக்குன்னா, see here 15 2 table போகுமா? போகாது. It will go in the 3 table only. So you need to put 3 into 5. Understood, students? Like this only. Okay, then you need to multiply this 2 into 3, 2 into 2. Okay, that's all students about this prime factorization by tree method. Now we will continue with the division method. We have the next method also, that is prime factorization by division method. Two methods irukku, tree method, division method. If they specify, you need to do that method only. If they didn't specify in the method la you can do the primary factorization. Same for 24 they are doing. See here, for 24 you need to divide. See the smallest prime factor, 2 is the smallest prime factor. 2 table 24 pogum. Okay va. Next first least number la paakணும். one table விட்டுருங்க. So next is 2 is the prime factor. One is neither prime nor composite. So in 2 table how many times? 12 times. Again this 12 can be divisible, right? So again the smallest one is 2, 6 times. Again 6 will go in the 2 table. So 2, 3. Now you need to multiply all this. What is this? 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is nothing but this is the prime factorization of 24. Understood, students? Now I will show another example also. You just take this. Take 18. Okay, 18 வந்து இப்போ tree method ல பண்ணலாம். See for 18 what is the smallest prime factor? Smallest prime factor is nothing but 2. 2 table 18 போகுமா? Yes. 2 into 9. Again this 2 will be split only in the 1 table. 9 வந்து இந்த table போகும். Least will it go in 2 table? No, it will not go. But it will go in the 3 table. So 3 into 3. That's all. After this we cannot split. So the prime factorization is nothing but. Understood, students? This is the prime factorization. Again we will see in the division method. See in the division method. 18 I am having here. Here 2s are 9, 2s are 18. Again the smallest is 3. So 3 into 3, 9. Again 3, 1. That's it. So this is the prime factorization using division method. That's all about the students. We have prime factorization only 2 methods. That is nothing but these things. That is tree method and the division method. We have practice on 3. In practice on 3, try to solve this second question. Okay, students? That's all, students. Thank you, students.